This is a quick demonstration of how statistics can be abused, or maybe how sometimes the takeaways from our statistical analysis must be made with care. So here we have some real data. So in column A, we have a year in recent history. Column B has the number of letters from the winning word of the Scripps National Spelling Bee. So this is a big deal. This is what gets shown on ESPN. Then in column C, we have the number of people killed by venomous spiders, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. So these are this is actual data. So let's create a scatter plot first. Let's look at our recommended chart. Scatter plot, sure, looks good. And for giggles, let's add a trend line. It looks like we have a relationship here. We could screw around with my axis. Sure, let's do it. Let's format our axis. Let's change the minimum to 6. Okay, so it looks like we have a line that goes through there. So we could have a statistical relationship. So let's run the correl function to find the correlation. So I'll use letters as my first array, deaths as my second array. And that's a very high correlation, 0.81. That is extremely high. Okay, so the predicted deaths, if the Scripps winning word is 14 letters long, we can use forecast.linear. So the new x will be 14. So the known y's, that's the deaths. And the known x's are the letters. And so this says that if the winning word for the Scripps spelling bee is 14 letters long, I'm going to expect 12.5 people to die from venomous spiders. Now, clearly, this is a spurious correlation. Statistically, these variables are related. However, we just know that one does not drive the other. It's not like if words get harder, people are spending more time in dank and dusty buildings studying their spelling lists or something, which would cause them to be bitten by spiders. So this is just something to be aware of. Statistically, these results are significant. However, we just have to use our brains to say, like, okay, this correlation is spurious, meaning that the data just happens to be related. One thing is not causing the other.